Hello everyone, I'm Alex from CRP, and today I'm going to talk to you about a tip that could prove very helpful in reducing comebacks when working on 2-liter Volkswagen engines. We've been hearing about a very common water pump failure on the popular CCTA, CBFA, CETA, and CAEB 2-liter Audi Volkswagen engines that you'll find in a wide range of vehicles from 2008 to 2017. One reason for this failure, even on relatively new pumps, is that the engine side gasket expands when exposed to oil. When it expands, it often cracks the plastic thermostat housing, resulting in leaks and eventually failure, sometimes in as few as 30,000 miles. Here's an example of a brand new water pump. And here's an example of one of these gaskets after it has failed. You can see where it has cracked the water pump housing right here. These water pumps are fairly complex parts. The pump is mounted onto a plastic thermostat housing, so when they fail, it can be an expensive repair and even lead to an overheated engine. And it's a failure that's bound to happen again if you don't take the appropriate steps. Our advice is when installing a replacement water pump is to clean the entire area and check for oil leaks before installing the replacement water pump. It's a good idea to check the valve cover gasket, oil cooler, and other components for oil leaks. If you need to replace a valve cover gasket because it's leaking, CRP Automotive offers the correct Ahuza replacement. And of course, we also carry the correct Rhine brand high quality water pump by itself and as part of a kit that comes with all the installation hardware necessary, including a dedicated ContiTech tooth belt. If you have a question about this tip or any of the CRP Inside the Brand videos, feel free to post it below or on the CRP Automotive Facebook page. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to be among the first to learn about helpful repair tips like this one. Thanks for watching.